Now, we are in a sudden death. If Miss Heron can answer this problem correctly, we have a winner.
Limits. Why couldn't I remember anything about limits? Limits. That was the week Aaron got his haircut. Oh God, he looks so cute. Okay, focus, Cady. What was on the board behind Aaron's head? If the limit never approaches anything, the limit does not exist.
Hold on a second, Cady. You skipped like 17 and a half steps in that math problem. So, how do you know the limit doesn't exist? Where's your proof? Where's the thought process? And honestly, did you even get the right answer?
The limit does not exist!
Our new state champions, the North Shore Mathletes.
Oh, okay, I guess you did. Good job, Cady. So basically, here's the idea. The equation is natural log of 1 minus x minus sine x divided by 1 minus cosine squared x. Evaluate as x approaches 0. Now, if you want it, you could use power approximations to figure this out in a quick setting, which is what we're going to guess Cady did because, she was in a competition, she didn't have time, or a calculator to figure out, a better answer. Now, clearly you know that in any equation like this, you should always start by trying to plug in 0 for x to see if it will just solve itself, which obviously in this case it doesn't. And if we plug this into our calculator, we can see that the graph looks something like this. As you notice, the lines are approaching both positive and negative infinity. A simplified process, just saying if the limit doesn't approach anything, then the limit doesn't exist, is not enough, because you have to consider what is happening to the graph on both sides of the error, in this case 0. For instance, if on both sides, once you solve it for numbers close to 0, so if you did negative 0.0001 and positive 0.0001, if those both came out as a positive number when you solved for it, or both came out as a negative number when you solve for it, then you'd have to say negative infinity, limit does not exist, or positive infinity, limit does not exist, for the equation to actually be correct. And to be honest, you probably just made the mistake of thinking that since it was over 0, that the limit automatically didn't exist.